Oh yeah, it's four-wheel drive. You live out here in the country, man, I tell you what, you have to have four-wheel drive.
You know, it's pretty slick. You ought to put this thing in four-wheel drive.
Please. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Daninator channel. It's hard to believe I've been saying that for almost 8 years now. We just recently hit 60,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Nice.
I want to thank everybody for being a part of the Dana Nation. Yeah, so it's been 8 years since I posted my first repair video. It was the door hinges on my '99 Silverado. When I started YouTube, it was basically just to help out the next guy. I had a Buick Regal at the time, and it had a very peculiar issue with turning the key and the dashboard kind of blinked and stuff. And so I looked everywhere trying to figure out what was causing this. And I found one short, obscure video on YouTube that showed exactly what was going on with my car. And the video was labeled bad ignition switch. All it was just a demonstration of what was going on, not how to fix it or anything, but I had my suspicion that that's what it was, and it just confirmed it. So the next time I made a repair on a vehicle, I thought I'll record it, I'll post it to YouTube, and help out the next guy the way the guy helped me out. So I continued recording the repairs that I was doing, and over time I started gaining more and more subscribers. I think the first monetization payout I got was less than $5. Here I am 8 years later, and we're just crossed the 60,000 subscriber threshold. So again, I want to thank everybody who's watched my videos and commented and interacted with me through this channel. I hope I'm helping you out with the repair videos and entertaining you with the vlogs and such that I've been doing over the years. So, to show my appreciation to all the subscribers and everybody that supported the channel over the years, or even watches without subscribing. I mean, you do you, whatever. To show our appreciation, we are going to be giving away a Dynamic Tools 20-piece standard metric socket set and one of my Daninator shirts. You pick the design, whichever one you want, to one lucky winner. So what we're doing is a photo caption contest like we've done before. Head over to my Instagram page. You're going to look for this photo. So leave a funny or creative caption in the comments below that picture, and that'll put you in the running for a chance to win the tool set and one of my Daninator t-shirts. We'll take entries for about a week, and we'll select the best caption and announce the winner through Instagram. So may the best caption win. All right, so let's take a closer look at the prize. Dynamic Tools. Dynamic Tools? Who are they? Okay, so full disclosure, Dynamic Tools reached out to me a little while ago and asked me if I'd be interested in trying out these tools on my channel. Now, who are Dynamic Tools? If you've ever heard of Gray Tools out of Canada, Dynamic Tools is its more affordable premium line. So in the US, you've got a company that rhymes with Snap-on, and it's Blue Point line, which is its more affordable line of tools. Dynamic's the same way with Gray Tools. So Gray Tools is the premium line, Dynamic is its more affordable tool line that they offer. So the selling point of these Dynamic Tools, again, is high quality tools at a much more affordable price for the average DIY guy or semi-professional person who needs good quality tools for their projects. Because they don't have all the real estate or the complex dealer networks that the other tool lines have. They prefer to invest into their online store. That way it keeps the price down and makes it affordable for guys like me who needs good quality tools to work on their projects. So the premium line of Gray Tools are manufactured in Canada, USA, Germany, Italy, and Spain. The Dynamic Tools are manufactured in Taiwan, some in the US, but they are all backed by the Gray Tools lifetime warranty. So if you go to shopdynamic-tools.com, you'll see that they've got starter sets, storage, organizers, hand sockets, impact sockets, all kinds of wrenches, hammers, C-clamps, pliers, snips, screwdrivers, pry bars, punches, etc., etc. They've got quite a listing. Also, you see right here on the website, they have an offer to submit your email and you'll receive a discount code for 15% off your first order. All right, let's get a closer look at the quality of these tools. So the tool set that I have is the 3/8" drive 60-piece 6-point standard deep SAE and metric socket set. The tools have a chrome finish so it resists corrosion. I gotta say, I love these large laser etched markings so I can quickly see what size socket I'm reaching for. And another thing is this knurled surface right here. So when my hands are getting oily and greasy working on my cars, I like that I can still get a good grip on the socket if I need to spin it by hand. Also, each individual tool has the brand, part number, and size hard stamped into the side. The ratchet feels and looks very well made. It has a very nice, satisfying click to it when you're spinning the wrench, and I have quickly fallen in love with this wrench. This is probably the most quality wrench I've ever owned, and I do have budget wrenches, but I also have a wrench that I purchased at a box store, and I will say that I'm not impressed with this one because the head keeps locking on it, keeps catching. It's not smooth at all. Right there, it's stuck. I've actually returned this to the box store. This is actually the replacement, and the replacement is doing the exact same thing as the other one. I find myself not using that tool set anymore. This has become my go-to because it's very reliable, and it's got a lifetime warranty, same as the brand name from the box store. Dynamic Tools also sent me their 12-piece metric stubby flex head combination ratcheting wrench set from 8mm all the way up to 19mm. If you have followed my channel for any length of time, you know that I sing ratcheting wrenches praises. It's just a very handy tool. When they offered me these, I was excited to accept because, one, obviously it's ratcheting, but it has a flexible head that pivots 90 degrees in either direction. It has come in handy in the times that I've had to get a wrench in a very tight space. These also have a chrome finish for resistance against corrosion, and it does make them pretty easy to clean up. And they also have a lifetime warranty. And it comes in this nice canvas case. In my opinion, these are excellent wrenches. All right, as you saw, a very high quality set of tools from Dynamic Tools. I want to thank them for sending those to me so I can try them out on my channel. Check out their website, shopdynamictools.com. And a huge thank you to everyone for subscribing to the Daninator channel and becoming a part of the Dana Nation. I'm really grateful for all the support. Well, that's going to wrap it up. Check out Dynamic Tools. Check out the link in the description below for the Daninator merch if you're so interested. Be sure and participate in that photo caption contest for a chance to win your own tool set. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure to hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.